Hello everyone, my name is Arul and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. With around 10 years of experience as a Java developer in the IT industry, I am here to share my knowledge and insights with you. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you will find valuable content to enhance your Java skills. In this video, we will explore method reference in Java. Method references can be used as a substitute for Lambda expressions. They are applicable only in context where a functional interface is expected. If you need to refresh your knowledge on functional interfaces and Lambda expression, please refer to the video linked at the top right corner. Now we can create a simple functional interface named greetPerson. This functional interface contains a single abstract method greet. Let's now see how to use method reference in the place of Lambda expressions. Let's try to create a class example static method reference. First, let's try to call the functional interface with Lambda expression. So in this example, we are not going to use method reference. We can call greetPerson and we can give our normal Lambda expression. So name is the argument. And in the println, we can call greetPerson without method reference dot greet with the argument Arulraj with static reference. This is the normal way of using Lambda expression with functional interface. Now let's see how to replace Lambda expression with method reference. Now let's try to create a static method. We can create a new static method greet. This method should have same method signature and return type. So it should exactly match with our functional interface. So we will just return hello and the name which we are passing as an argument. Now we will try to call this using method reference. So with our functional interface, we can assign with example static method reference double operator greet message. So this is a syntax for calling a method reference. So we need to use double operator followed by method name. Then we can use our print statement to print the result. The important rule when creating static method is to have same method arguments and return type as of abstract method in the functional interface. Now let's try to run this program. And as expected, we have two outputs. One is without static reference and another one is with static reference. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope now it is clear how to use static method reference. See you all in my next video. Thank you.